Have you ever wanted to create an amazing circle light effect in PowerPoint that looks just like professional motion graphic? Imagine a beautiful glowing ring rotating continuously on your screen, changing colors and slowly growing larger. This effect looks so professional that no one will believe it was created entirely inside PowerPoint. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create this stunning animation step by step. Hello everyone, in today's video, we will learn how to create a beautiful circle light effect animation in PowerPoint. If you enjoy learning PowerPoint animations, creative designs, and presentation effects, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Also, watch the video until the end because I will share a special trick that will make this animation look even more professional. So, let's get started. First, open PowerPoint, then right click on the slide and select Format Background. Change the background color to black. A black background makes the light effect look brighter and more attractive. Next, go to Shapes and select Oval Shape. Hold the Shift key and draw a perfect circle. After creating the circle, set Shape Fill to No Fill and increase the shape outline width to 10 points. Now, go to Dashes and choose a dotted style. After that, change the cap type to round. This will turn the square dots into rounded dots, make the effect looks more smoother and more professional. Now, increase the size of the circle so that part of it extend outside the slide. Then click Align Center and Align Middle to place the circle exactly in the center of the slide. Next, go to the Animation tab, click Add Animation and choose Basic Zoom Effect. Open Effect option, then in Timings, select with Previous. Set the duration to about 8 seconds and change Repeat until end of slide. This will make the circle continuously grow and create a smoother expanding light effect. Next, keep the same circle selected and click Add Animation again. This time choose the spin animation. In timings, set start with previous and repeat until end of slide. Now, the circle will keep rotating continuously. When the zoom and spin animation work together, the effect becomes much more dynamic and eye-catching. Now, let's add a color changing effect. Click Add Animation again and select Line Color Animation. In Effect option, choose Multicolor Style and enable Auto Reverse so the color keeps changing continuously. Set Start with Previous and repeat to until end of slide. Now, the circle will smoothly change colors and create beautiful glowing ring effect. To make this animation even more attractive, we need multiple circles. Duplicate the shape using Ctrl D. Then use Align Center and Align Middle so all the circles stay perfectly aligned on the top of each other. Open the animation pane. Give the second circle a 1 second delay. Duplicate the shape again and give the third circle a 2 second delay. Give the fourth circle a 3 second delay and continue the same process until you have 8 circles with different delay timings. This is the secret steps that creates the amazing wave lightning effect. Because of the different delays, the circle will animate one after another instead of all at the same time, creating a premium motion graphic look. Now, run the slideshow and see the final result. You will notice that multiple circles are zooming, rotating, and changing colors at different times. All these animations work together to create a beautiful infinite circle animation that looks highly professional and visually impressive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Let me know in the comments what PowerPoint animation tutorial you would like to see next. Share this video with your friends so they can also learn these creative PowerPoint effects. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Today we learned how to create a stunning circle light effect animation in PowerPoint that continuously zooms, rotates, changes color. With the little creativity and the right animation setting, you can create professional looking motion graphic directly inside PowerPoint. I will see you in next video with the amazing PowerPoint animation tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.